Hello kids, let's read with Little Learning Loop. My mother. It's your turn to read. My mother takes care of our home. Let's see if you can read. My mother cooks tasty food. It's your turn now. My mother helps me get ready. Let's see if you can read. She helps me with my homework. It's your turn now. My mother hugs me when I feel sad. It's your turn to read. She makes me laugh and smile. Let's see if you can read. She tells me stories at bedtime. It's your turn now. My mother plays games with me. We sing and dance together. Let's see if you can read. My mother is kind and smart. It's your turn now. I love my mother very much. It's your turn now. My mother is the best. Let's see if you can read. Good job, kids. Hope you liked the reading session. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to the channel Little Learning Loop.